Hello students, a very warm welcome. Now coming to lesson number 19, that is my delightful school. Now students, why do we go to school? We go to school to study, and besides studying we make friends in school, play together and share tiffins. We take part in school functions and go on trips together. We clean and decorate our classroom. And see students, how does the joy of learning increase? See, there are different needs of different children. When we understand the mutual needs and difficulties and help each other, the joy of learning increases. Now students, coming to page number 115, see, you can see some pictures. See how the children are learning happily. Now students, which of these pictures did you like the most? I know students, you might have liked the fifth picture. Why did you like that picture the most? Because I know you like this picture because you enjoy playing and it gives you good exercise. Now students, coming to page number 116, see, do you know? I got a letter. See, this is the story of a school in Kolavali in Ratnagiri districts. The teacher took his students to the post office to show them how the postal system works. He explained its working to the students. But to give them a first hand experience of how it works, he used a novel idea. He wrote a letter to every child telling them about their progress in studies, in sports, their interests and activities. The children were thrilled to see the letters. They showed their letter to everyone saying, I got a some letter. Even sent a reply to the letter. They sent greeting cards to the teacher at the time of Diwali. A few days later, the teacher taught the students how to send emails. One letter sent by the teacher awakened a new enthusiasm in the students. The school became an enjoyable place for them. Now students, again coming to page number 116. Try this. See, have a three-legged race with the other students in your class. Why could some pairs reach and finish line without stumbling or falling? Why did some pairs fall while running? See students, if we help each other, we can succeed at anything. Work becomes enjoyable. In order to help one another, we must first understand our mutual needs and difficulties. Do we try to understand the needs of our classmates? There may be a new student in a class or a student who lives far away from their parents. There may be someone who speaks a different language at home. Some may have an elder brother or sister to help them, and some may not. Because of this diversity, everyone has different needs. We must try to understand these needs. Now students, coming to page number 117. Can you tell? See students, are there any children with such special needs in your neighborhood? Do they attend school? And when you were in first standard, how many girls were there in your school? And how many girls are there in your class now? And what are the reasons for change in the number? See students, every child should get the joy of learning in school. All children with special needs have the right to education. Many parents of children with special needs send their children to school with great determination. The government also has many schemes for them. If you know any children with special needs, do tell the teachers and parents about this. They too will encourage the children to go to school. The government has also provided many facilities for the education of girls. Most parents try to make sure that the girls are educated. However, sometimes girls are expected to carry out household chores such as taking care of their siblings, drawing water from the wells, etc., all by themselves. As a result, they lag behind in school or even leave it. A girl's education should not stop for this or for any other reason. Girls too have a right to the joy of learning. Now students, coming to page number 118, see, try this. Now find out which language your classmates speak at home with their parents. Even if we learn in a common language at school, we all speak in our mother tongue at home. The mother tongue of some students may be Gujarati, some may speak Hindi at home, while others may speak Telugu or Kannada. Because of school, we get friends who speak different languages. We all wear a uniform in school. However, on days when the uniform is not compulsory, the classroom becomes colorful. It is fun to attend a class where there is a lot of diversity. Our customs, languages, and eating habits may be different, but as human beings, we are all alike. When we respect this diversity and help each other, we enjoy being in school. School becomes delightful. Now students, coming again to page number 118, see what's the solution. See, Pintu and Pinky have both got admission into kindergarten. Every day when the school bus comes to take them to school, they cry and cry. How will you explain to them why they must go to school? See, we can explain them like how they can play together, share their tiffins, and learn with fun in their schools. Mostly, they will stop crying and board the bus happily. And now students will have a quick recap of what we have learned. See, we get many different friends in school. In school, we come to know about the diversity in our country. Every child must get the joy of learning in school. All children, including those with special needs, have the right to education. When we offer and seek help, learning becomes more enjoyable. And now students, coming for homework, you have to read, learn and write these words 10 times in your notebook. Like the first word learn, second word trips, third word tiffins, fourth word mutual, fifth word enjoyable, sixth word special, seventh word diversity, eighth word schemes, ninth word customs and the 10th word delightful. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay healthy, stay protective, and stay safe.